Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions here with a super quick stock market update. Let's talk about and prepare for Meta earnings. Meta, which is previously known as Facebook, is going to be reporting earnings today after the market closes. I will be live streaming that on my YouTube channel. It is going to be for free. All you literally need to do is drop a thumbs up on this video, get it over to 1,500 likes, and subscribe to the channel so YouTube can alert you when it is that I go live. I feel like I need a burp. I just ate this Uncrustable. Did you know that they make Uncrustables with Nutella? Well, I found out, and they're actually really good. So what is going on with the market? The market has made nearly a full recovery, pretty much from everything that it sold off yesterday due to Google earnings. Is this a bull trap? I don't know, but this is round two for earnings, right? Yesterday we had Alphabet and Microsoft. So for those that are not aware, Alphabet is the parent company of Google and YouTube. So they reported earnings. They missed earnings, both their earnings per share and their revenue. Microsoft did hit one of them, but sold off just due to the overall weight that Google has, right? Google had a pretty big miss, caused the market to sell off. NASDAQ market sold off. NASDAQ market recovered today. I just wanted to show you this. And we're at that same resistance level. What do you guys think? Do you think we're going to continue to make new highs and then take off after Meta reports earnings? Or, I mean, think about it, right? Do you think that we have the same setup as yesterday, and then when Meta reports earnings, based off of how Meta makes money, right? Meta makes money the same way that Alphabet does, and that's due to ad revenue. Alphabet, a much larger company, pretty much 3 to 4 times the size, you could see that its earnings expectation, their overall revenue expectation was $70.66 billion. They missed it by 2.2%. Meta's expectation is not 70, it's 27.4 billion. But again, it's asking the question, who was more negatively influenced? Was it Meta? Was it Google, right? Was it Alphabet? Overall, that's their revenue expectation for 27.4 billion, and then their earnings per share is set at 1.85. I wanted to make sure that we do our job making you aware of this. Again, their earnings call for Q3 is going to be at 5 p.m. Eastern time, but remember, that's their earnings call. Their actual report on when it gets released, it's going to be right when the market closes. So I'm going to start my live stream 10 minutes before the market closes. I'm going to host a live stream and we will capture the market's reaction to Meta. I'm getting ready. We actually just wrapped up a quick little trade, but I think that this is kind of like just deja vu. It's looking a little bit too similar to yesterday. Again, I'm still going to do what I did yesterday, stay in cash, regardless of which way the market ends up going. I'm not here to try to predict the future. I'm just going to prepare for it. But if the market does sell off, I'll go into SQQQ. If the market does begin to recover, then I'll go into TQQQ. And again, we'll talk a little bit more about that in today's live stream. I just wanted to give you time in advance, right? You guys still have a couple of hours to prepare for your position. You saw what happened yesterday. It's up to you. You're the adult, you're the trader, you're the one that's going to hold yourself accountable. Our job is not just to prepare for best case scenario, but it's also to anticipate worst case scenarios. So we're showing signs of a resistance, but the NASDAQ is showing to be very, very bullish, right? It's not really pulling on, it's not really pulling on back. We're not seeing a break of pattern. I think that it's just going to be a matter of time for it to show signs of, finally a resistance level, and then we'll correct ourselves maybe just a little bit. So overall, very excited. Just wanted to make you aware of that previous resistance level that we are approaching, that we did have as of yesterday. And make you aware of the Facebook earnings. Also, we did have an economic report that was released today during our live trading session with my LPP team. And this was new home sales. Now, new home sales came in at 603. The market expectation was 575. So if you actually think about it, it came out higher than expected. Normally people would be like, oh wow, that's a good thing. More home sales, more new homes are being sold. That's not, the discrepancy is not that much because the market expectation was 575 and the actual is 603. But previous month was 677. So I think month over month, we're still seeing a decrease, which is a good thing. Remember, bad news is good news right now. The Federal Reserve wants to see the market slow down, the economy slow down. They want to see less people buying homes. They want us to feel the pressure. So this is why I'm saying, it would have been even more of a positive reaction if probably we were below 575. If we came in worse than expected, meaning 570 or 560, think about it. That means that we're slowing down quicker than expected. that would only justify that the Federal Reserve would not need to take such an aggressive approach in raising interest rates. So this isn't the best, but it's still good month over month, and I just wanted you guys to be aware of that and how to read that overall economic report. So again, I'll keep you guys up to date. I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. Hope you guys go to the gym, get some food, and in a couple of hours, right before the market closes, wherever it is that you are, I'm going to be hosting the live stream, so make sure you drop a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions about what we talked about today, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord. That's that first link in the description, or feel free to send me a direct message via Instagram, and that's that third link in the description. If you want to watch me trade live every single morning, you guys heard me talk about them before. It's my Learn Plan Profit Group. It's the only thing that I offer, and again, you get access to our A to Z video lesson library, our daily live trading sessions, private group chat, and access to the TechBuds HQ. And again, that's that second link down below if you want to learn a little bit more about it. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.